Well, there it is. I mean, it's not perfect, but you can't hear me very well. I got my respirator on. And keeps me from breathing all this crap. But, I mean, it's not perfect, and I think I'm just going to leave it like this. And I'll disassemble everything and clean it up better. This is what it looks like originally. You can kind of see it has cleaned it up quite a bit. But you can see my little canopy catching a lot of stuff. Pretty thick. So it's working. Just dusty. Whew. Anyway, we're coming along. This has all been blasted tops. I'm going to flip everything over after I get this hub done, and then I'm going to do the bottom side of everything. Go from there.